my name is Meepun. Today I gonna make a face cat. Let's go. First I draw the face. I will draw the eyes. Let's colors. I gonna paint the ears and the nose and the tongue. And now I will paint the face. I will stick the whisker. The whisker is blue. I think it's beautiful. Next, I will cut the eyes with scissors. Next, I will put the strap. It's not easy. I said, Mom, you can help me. Now I tie the bow. My mom teach me how to tie. I am finished. Yay! Yahoo! I will try to wear it. Mom, you can help me wear. Today is so fun. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.